Hey everyone, in this video we will multiply 3-digit number by a 4-digit number. For example, 2341 times 328. 8 times 1, 8. 8 times 4, 32. Write true and trick over write the next column. Uh, no, 8 times 3, 8 times 3, 24 plus 3, 27, write 7 and 2 carry over write the next column. 8 times 2, 16, 16 plus 2, 18. 2 times 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 4, 12. Write 2 and 1 carry over write the next column. 3 times 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 write 0 and carry over 1 carry over write the next column. 3 times 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. And finally we added we added these number were together. 8 plus 0 plus nothing, 8. 2 plus 2, 4. 7 plus 8, 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. Write 8 and 1 carry over write the next column. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 2, 7. 17. Write 7 and 1 carry over write the next column. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 7. Drop it down. As a result, 2341 times 328 equals 767,848. Thank you for watching.